Hello everyone.
Hi.
Welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney
Oh,
and we are here today to do some cash stuffing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to update our tracker here to see how many subscribers we have on YouTube. Where do you think we're at, Arya? How many people do you think I need to fill out? Yeah, so these ones I've already filled out.
Yeah.
But we got more subscribers. Do you want to guess how many? No, you don't want to? Okay. So we got up to here. Do you know how many that is? 620. Can you believe that? 620 people could see this video. Isn't that crazy?
Should I color the rest?
You want to color the rest? Sure. So color all of these and this one, okay? I'm going to scooch this over here so you can do that. All right, so while Arya colors that, I'm going to talk to you guys. I'm going to do my little cash stuffing for today. So Arya, are you feeling better?
A little bit.
You had a fever, and now I think Mommy is getting what you had.
Yeah.
So we're both sipping on some tea here, hoping that we feel better, right? All right, so we had nothing left in groceries, nothing left in dining out, nothing left in gas, but we did have $10 left in Arya. So guess where these are going?
Where?
Into our cow book.
Ooh.
Okay, and that way we can save these. All right, and we also have, oops, my whole binders just fell over. It's tough doing this with two people at this table. All right, so, oh, I think you got it. I think you colored past it, so you're supposed to stop right there, but can you color these ones? So just this row, okay? So not those ones, just this one, that one, all the way to the end, okay? Thank you.
All the way to the end right here?
Yep, and then stop, okay? And look, we got so many coins for Arya, for her castle, so we'll do that together next time we do the cow book, okay?
Okay.
Awesome. All right, so today in this wallet we are stuffing $50 for groceries and 35 for dining out. Then we have 25 for gas. Oops, did I grab two 20s here? Oh no, the other 20 is here. Hello. I'm blind. I couldn't see it. Good job, honey. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so 620 subscribers. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new here and you haven't said hi, please say hi. Arya, do you have a question for any new subscribers?
No.
What would you like to know about them? You want to know what their favorite animal is, or what their favorite color is, or what they like to do for fun?
I think I'm gonna ask what they like favorite ice cream.
Favorite ice cream flavor? Okay, yeah, so tell us in the comments, guys, what your favorite ice cream flavor is. What's yours, Arya?
Mine's cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream, yeah. Mine is too. I really like cookies and cream. All right. So next, guys, we are going to be cash stuffing our high priority bills coming up soon. So we are gonna do 15
That's mine.
in cell phone. Well, this one is actually for a cell phone.
I'm being
Huh? You're being funny? All right, so now in cell phone we have, do you want to know how much we have? 51, 10, 20, 25, 30. $130.
Whoa.
I know, that's a lot, right? And so we should be able to pay for our cell phone bill coming up. All right, we're gonna skip debt today, but in debt we have a good amount of money already saved up. We have $60 going into our debt binder, but I'm not gonna stuff it in here because I want to play with the games and stuff. All right, and then in hair, we're gonna stuff $15 was the initial amount that I was going to stuff in here, but I got some sales on Kofi, so I got like $9, I think, total that went to my bank this week. So I'm going to grab those 9 and I'm going to put them in here because we have been kind of short on this envelope and I want to make sure we have enough. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 40, 45, 145, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 158.
That's a lot.
It is, but that's a good amount because getting your hair cut is expensive. Did you know that? How expensive do you think it is? Don't know?
No.
All right. Well, and last we have car insurance. So we have $300 in the bank already. And we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 30, 40. So I don't know why I can't think straight, guys. 440 is what we have so far for car insurance, and we need about $1,000 for that. Aria, can you believe that? We need $1,000 for that. My goodness. Okay, and then I got a little birthday money here. Well, really it was Christmas money, but I'm gonna save it in my birthday envelope. How's your tea? Is it good? Oh, thank you. Oh, it's almost gone?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah. Okay, well, I have more, okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah, and just one little sip left. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick this $100 bill in here for my birthday. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna be doing with that yet, but we'll just put it in there. And that's a good start on that. So, oh, I totally forgot. We got some Happy Mail here. So do you want to help me open this?
Yeah.
Okay, this is from my friend Vicky at Vicky Thinks. Look at, these are so cute.
No.
Vicky sent us some cute things in the mail. Ooh, is that a cute little sticker?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna read her note. Look at this cute little paper clip, Aria.
Oh, that's a heart.
Isn't that so cute? Okay, so we have stop in the name of love before you break my heart. Cute. Okay, and we have love is in the air. So this looks like a little color and save. This is so cute. So you can color these in, right, Aria? Nice. And we have this one, a cute little unicorn scratch off, and this says, into the rainbow I go to lose my mind and find my soul. I love that. That is so sweet. Do you love these unicorns, Aria?
So
yeah,
cute.
Those are so cute. Thank you so much, Vicky. We are gonna have so much fun saving with these, huh, Aria? Okay, so fun. We love the stickers and we love these challenges, Vicky, and I love your card. So sweet. So thank you so much. I will add these to my binders. I'm so excited. And I love this little paper clip. It's so tiny and cute. All right, guys, so that is it for this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed and have a great rest of your day. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.